That's on me. That's why when I walk.
Hey y'all, it's Simone Love coming at you with another video, and on today's video you can see my hair looks a mess. I have left my hair up for, I don't know, maybe 2-3 weeks from me flat ironing it. So we're just gonna go ahead and show honestly my daily hair wash routine, or my weekly hair wash routine when it's time for me to wash my hair. I don't do anything spectacular with it. I do the exact same style every single time, simply because I work a 9 to 5. And I don't have time to be doing my hair every single day. I like to sleep as much as I can until it is time for me to officially go to work. So I do a style that's protective for my natural hair, slick back those edges, and honestly continue on for my day.
Right, but they know. Liars, right, but they wanna show. Singers, sing what they told. But I know you got something else to say. Like secret language, speaking in tongues. Snake like tongue tied, you on the run. Tribal dancing, I don't know what you are, you are, you are, you are. Summer, solding over my heart.
So the shampoo that I'm going to be using is VO5. I ran out of my Cream of Nature that I usually use from their Honey Care line. I love that one. But honestly, the way that I feel about shampoo is simply that it strips your oils regardless of how expensive you want to go. Don't get me wrong, there are some that I love and leaves my hair just feeling super duper soft. But this one honestly does work well with my hair. I try to focus more on the conditioner aspect and what I'm putting in my hair afterwards compared to just the shampooing process itself. As you can see, I'm honestly focusing on my roots compared to my ends. I do not wash my ends because once you end up rinsing your hair, you realize that the shampoo ends up going down your shaft regardless. So I try to focus on obviously the dirt in my scalp. You sweat, you have dandruff. I do have really dry scalp. So I try to focus more on that compared to focusing on my ends, where your hair tends to be more brittle and more dry.
Summer, solding over my heart. We're both dancing over the dark side. I don't know who you are, you are, you are, you are. You got letters sprinkled all over your body. If I join up the dots, it makes me feel naughty. I feel like I shouldn't touch. You got a no touching sign. I feel like I shouldn't.
So I'm going in one more time with the shampoo, simply because of the fact that my hair wasn't necessarily dirty. I didn't put a lot of product in my hair from the last time I did my hair when I flat ironed it. So I only felt that one more good time was good. Plus, when I wash my hair, I make sure, as you see, like I'm going in there like good. I don't do a 1, 2, 3 scratch and then I'm done. No, I thoroughly go through my hair when I'm washing my hair. Again, depending on the product that you're using, or depending on how dirty your hair is or whatever, you can go in as many times as you feel works for you.
You're blocking the exit with your life. Writers.
So the last step as far as the washing process is obviously the conditioner. Again, I have been using this line for I'd say maybe a year and maybe 2 years now. I'm not too sure. It works well for my hair. I just didn't have any more of the shampoo. But when I put in my conditioner, I try to focus on my ends more than the root, opposite of the conditioner. Again, because your ends tend to be more brittle, and obviously it's the first to break off. So just to hydrate my hair, I like to focus on my ends so that my curls are obviously hydrated, and then I work my way up to my roots and get in there pretty good. I like to go in and comb everything out with a wide tooth home. I had a detangler, but I ended up leaving it at my mom's house. I honestly need to just buy another one. But I like to go in with a wide tooth comb so everything gets in thoroughly. And then once I'm finished with this process, I go in, wash my body, and then we start the rinse out process.
Addicted to light, center, always in the limelight. Show ya a real good time. Oh, I know you got something else for me. A secret language, speaking in tongues. Snake like tongue tight, you on the run. Travel, dancing, I don't know what you are, you are, you are, you are. Summer, soaring over my heart. Whippo, dancing over the dark side. I don't know who you are, you are, you are, you are. You got letters sprinkled all over your body. If I join up the dots, it makes me feel naughty. I feel like I shouldn't touch. You got a no touching sign. I feel like I shouldn't run. You're blocking the exit with your life. Touching sign.
So once I rinse out the conditioner, I end up going back through it with my wide tooth comb at the same time, because once you add water to your hair, it adds weight to your curls, which makes it a little bit easier to curl through depending on, how tight or how coily your hair is. I also like to do this before getting out the shower, just to make sure that my hair is thoroughly detangled. So by the time I get out the shower or, I dab my hair off, everything is smooth from once I do my little twist out.
Sing what they told, but I know you got something else to say. A secret language, speaking in tongues. Snake like tongue tight, you on the run. Travel, dancing, I don't know what you are.
So for the leave-in conditioner I use, again, it's a part of the same line. I also go in with that little oil bottle that you guys saw me use on my last video. It's just a mixture of different oils that I've gotten, from my local beauty supply store. Coconut oil, carrot oil, olive oil. It's just a mixture of different oils, so that I don't have to use different bottles and squirt bottles and stuff. I just put it all within one so that it's easier to navigate and put throughout my hair. Now the 2-strand twist, again, this is my favorite style to put up in my hair. It just makes it easier for me when I'm up and on the go to go to work. I work in human resources, so I honestly have to look put together. But like I said, I'm not going to throw on a wig every day. I'm not going to do all these extravagant styles because it takes away from the time that I have to sleep and also get to work as well. So the 2-strand twist, the flat twist, is super easy. I twist it all the way to the back, and then I put it up in a little bun once I twist it all the way back. Sometimes I'll leave my curls out. I'll go through it with my Eco Styler gel or my curling pudding that I have, and I might let my curls pop or whatever. But for the most part, like I said, just so that I don't have to do any extra steps for my routine to get to work, I just do my flat twist. I put my edge control on, brush it back, and I honestly call it a day.
exit with your life. Writers write what they know. Liars write what they wanna show. Singers sing what they told. But I know you got something else to say. Secret language, speaking in tongues. Snake like, tongue tight, you on the run. Tribal dancing, I don't know what you are, you are, you are, you are. Summer floating over my heart. We're both dancing over the dark side. I don't know who you are, you are, you are, you are. You got letters sprinkled all over your body. If I join up the dots, it makes me feel naughty. I feel like I shouldn't touch. You got a no touching sign. I feel like I shouldn't run. You're blocking the exit with your life.
So honestly, guys, this is pretty much it. Like I said, you guys can use whatever products you feel works. This is what works for me, and this is the style that I wear almost on a regular basis, even under my wigs. So I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next video, guys. Bye.